Hi everyone, welcome back to our review. Today we're going to be looking at another product from Aosu. This is their Video Doorbell Camera Ultra, and it is coming with a Wi-Fi home base. Some of the cool and interesting features for this video doorbell camera is its 5 megapixel Ultra HD views. It also has 3D motion detection videos and a local storage security. It is dual button Wi-Fi compatible, and it is weather resistant. In addition to that, it also has triple motion detection and a 60 days loop recording. Its battery capacity is really high. It can go 180 days on a single charge, and it also has a 166 degrees field of view, which lets you see a wide angle of motion. So let's get started with the unboxing, and then I'll show you how it looks like. So inside the box we have our instruction manual, as well as our security sticker and a drilling template. We also have our doorbell itself. This is our video doorbell, and you are able to mount it 2 different ways. So this is our mounting bracket. Since it has dual power options, you can just hardwire it with all of these extensions right here. We also have a pin, detaching pin, and some screws, a USB cable, a Phillips head screwdriver, and our home base. So let's get started with installing it. Alright, now let's get started with the installation process, but before we do that, we have to connect our device to the app, Aosu app itself. I've already downloaded the app and installed it, and I've had a bunch of products from Aosu before, so I don't need to worry about that. But I'm just gonna press a plus button right here, and I'm gonna scan the QR code. So let's scan. Let's find our QR code first. Okay, so I found the QR code right here. Let's scan it.
Please scan the QR code on the device or home base with your phone.
Okay, so we have to plug in the Wi-Fi home base, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, press continue. So now we have to press and hold the sync button on the Wi-Fi home base for more than 5 seconds until the beep sounds and the green light flashes. So let's continue. Let's activate the doorbell. First, we're going to take off the film. And on the back, we should have our sync button. So let's use our detaching pin. Okay, cool. So I was able to take that off. Okay, so let's do this step. I'm gonna press the sync button for 3 seconds.
Hello.
And it turned on, so let's press continue. So let's press this. Okay, that works.
Please use the device to scan the QR code on your phone until the device emits a tone.
Okay, let's scan it.
Wi-Fi HomeBase is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. It may take a moment. Please wait for a while.
Okay, that worked.
Save settings successfully.
All right. It does have a smart cloud storage plan. I'm gonna skip that for now. And now I'm gonna go through the installation steps. So you can watch a tutorial here. There's ways on how to install it with the wire. If you want to hardwire it, you have your screw pack and your screw hole positioning card, as well as your detaching pin. So all you need right now is this, a drill bit, and I'm going to operate it using the battery power option. I feel like it's simpler, so I'm gonna use the steps for these. Hey everyone, so I'm at the video doorbell camera live view, and let's quickly check out the view and the settings. So over here we're gonna see a black and white picture of the live video, and that's because it's nighttime. But even during the night you can see that the details are pretty sharp, and you would be able to see whoever is close by near the door, even in the dark. That's because of its 5 megapixel UHD camera, which is much more improved, up to 40% improved from their 2K cameras, and it adopts 7 pieces of advanced ultra clear optical glass lens that ensures that you get sharp, detailed images even in low light or bright conditions. Let's check out some of the settings over here. So over here I have my events playback. It looks like this playback arrow button right here. And let's go back to the live view. I have my UHD, or you can switch the video quality. You can record clips or cut clips from the live view and change the volume here. On the bottom, you're going to see these auto reply button that has multiple options of what you can say. If you don't want to talk on the two-way talk system, you can also use the talk button to talk, or use the tone changing button to change the tone of your voice.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, how are you doing? I'm here to deliver a package.
Please leave the package in front of the door. Thank you.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Who's this? Get out of my property. I'm gonna call the cops.
Don't call the cops. I'm just here to deliver a package.
I don't know, man.
On the settings page, let's look at some of the doorbell settings. You can turn on anti-theft warnings. So it has anti-theft. So if someone tries to dismantle the doorbell, it will trigger an alarm. So I will turn that on. I'm also going to check out the motion detection settings. So the motion detection range is at medium. Let's set it up to far. You can only trigger human-only detecting motion detections, or you can trigger any type of motion detections. I'll just turn that off. Again, you can buy cloud recording from this plan right here. It also has multiple options for cloud recording as well as the Face AI Premium plan. Let's look at facial recognition. So it can recognize families, strangers. It can also do smart alerts and quick face-based recording filtering. So this is part of their intelligent AI detection. So it will not only recognize humans, but it will recognize a particular face. So if you have family members versus strangers, it will be able to identify that. And to activate it, you do need to purchase their Face AI Premium monthly plan. Okay, they do have a 7-day trial for this plan right here. And I'm not going to purchase it, but it is something that you can have as an option. Then we have our video quality settings. Let's press that. So it's at UHD mode. You can switch to smooth mode. And I'm going to keep the night vision based on ambient light levels. So it becomes black and white when there's no light sources. I got an alert for motion at the front door. Okay, so let's go back to our night vision settings. So you can adjust, it will automatically adjust based on if there's a light source available. So if you have your porch light on, it will be brighter versus like the porch light off, it will run in black and white. Let's go back. So this is our chime settings. You can adjust it into different settings right here. Let's look at privacy. You can record sounds, or you can set certain privacy zones. So let's say if you have a neighbor and you don't want to impose on the neighbor, like you can set up like privacy zones for the neighbor's house. Okay. Battery management. Right now it is at 69% battery. You can charge it completely at 100%, and from 100% it will last up to 180 days from a single charge. Because of its built-in rechargeable battery, you don't have to worry about charging it too often. Okay. Let's go back. It also is capable of being integrated with smart devices such as Alexa or Google Home. And then there's more settings on the bottom that I'm not going to go over. Alright, so this is our events page, and as you can see that there were a bunch of events triggered for today. You can go back on your timeline and look at different events. You can also purchase the cloud storage if that's something that you want to do, or for local storage, this is what it looks like. Okay, and all of these events, any rings or motion detections will be on your events page. The events page will record up to 60 days of loop recording. It has 60 days of loop recording capabilities, and that's because of our HomeBase with built-in 8 gigabytes of memory, and you can view the videos anywhere without having to pay a monthly fee. Also wanted to talk about its triple motion detection capabilities, which means that it will trigger no false alerts because the false alarms are reduced by 95%. And it tracks PIR motion, which tracks for body heat scans, human motion detections, which scans for human shapes, as well as radar motion detection, which scans for distance and movements. So you're going to be only getting alerts for whatever alert that you need. Over here, I have some sample recordings of how the image quality looks like once it's downloaded. And as you can see, the 5 megapixel camera tracks details pretty well. And that is it for our review. We hope you guys like the product. This is the Aosu Doorbell video camera. If you'd like to purchase this product, please go ahead and check out our description box below. Thank you all for watching.